You ever open a blank slide deck, stare at it for 5 minutes, and suddenly question your entire life? Yep, same thing here. That's why this Gamma.ai review exists, because if you want clean, modern presentations without fighting design tools, this one's pretty interesting. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can click the link down below in the description of the pinned comment to start for free. So what is Gamma.ai really? Well, it's an AI-powered design tool that helps you create presentations, simple websites, and visual docs without feeling like you need a graphic designer degree or 3 coffees first. You give it an idea, paste in text, or hit generate, and it handles the layout, structure, and visual flow so you can focus on the message instead of nudging text boxes all day long. If you've ever wasted way too much time formatting slides instead of actually thinking, Gamma is built for you. It's especially solid for creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants things to look polished fast without babysitting the design process. Now, the biggest win here is just how effortless the AI design actually feels, especially for presentations. You're not wrestling with templates or guessing what looks quote-unquote professional. You can give it direction, and it gives you something that already looks presentable, which is a huge mental relief. And getting started is refreshingly simple. You can either use the generate prompt right here, which is the one I like to use, and you can let the AI build the structure for you, or you can simply just paste in your own text if needed, and Gamma will turn it into something clean and readable. Either way, you're moving forward immediately instead of stuck at square one. And of course, you can always generate from template or import file or URL. Let's click on generate right here. And customizing the settings is straightforward, which matters more than people think. You're not buried in confusing menus. You can tweak the look, adjust the flow, and guide the AI without feeling like you're fighting it overall. And just to give you an example here, this is where you can choose either presentation, web page, document, or social, the amount of cards that you want to use, which is another fancy way of using slide. You can choose between classic or studio, which is going to be a pro feature, default in terms of the card size, and of course the language. How about the benefits of webinars for online businesses? Let's say we want to do 3 here, and let's do generate outline. Alright, and so as you can see, it's going to create an outline for us with these 3 cards here. And if you want to edit these, it's as simple as going in there, adding, deleting, doing whatever you want. This is going to be all AI generated, so if you want to keep these, you can keep them. If you want to delete it, you can do that. You can always add more cards as needed. And of course, there's going to be a few more things that you can customize, as I talked about previously, like the amount of text per card. I like minimal or concise. You can change around the visuals. There's a ton of them that you can use. There's even going to be image sources if you really want to dive deeper into that. You can use AI images, stock photos, web images, illustrations, and of course, go with the AI image model right here, and overall the style when it comes to the image that's going to be used on this. Nevertheless, I'm going to go down here and click on generate, and you can see what it looks like. Alright, and as we can see right here, it has finished generating, and there is going to be one thing that I have a little bit of a dislike when it comes to Gamma. I will get back to that, but as you can see, we're going to have the main title here, we're going to have an image, everything down below is going to be nice and easy to see, some of the main bullet points and some more images as well, and of course there's going to be a wide variety of things that you can add and edit when it comes to your specific presentation slides. In fact, there's quite a lot here. A lot of it's going to simply be drag and drop. Anytime you want to move something around, you can simply do that. If you want to add a new card, you can easily do that, move it down. And what I like about the new cards as well when you're creating one is that it allows for templates that you can utilize. So if maybe you want to add a title there, you can do that. If you want to start with a template right here, you can do that, or just simply click on templates right here. This is going to make your life so much easier in my opinion. This isn't just for presentations, but anytime you're doing anything online like landing pages, sales funnels, websites. When you can start with a template, it helps to see exactly what you want to do, and from then on out, you can just simply add everything that you need to. Add your image, add your heading, start typing, and so on and so forth. What's also great about Gamma is when you go to edit in here, there's a wide variety of things that you can utilize. Smart diagrams, charts and graphs, videos. I especially like the charts and graphs, and if you click on it, there's so many that you can add down here. Let's say we want to add our line chart. And upon doing so, you can edit the chart right here, and it's really in depth in terms of what you can do here. And down below you can see we have the month, we have the users, and you can simply double click on it to edit to show anything you want. This is going to be an example, and as you can see, you can really change around the graph type too if needed. So a lot of this is going to be more of an aesthetics thing, but if you're really meticulous about how you want something to look, you can do that with showing the points, smoothing the lines, data labels, and so on and so forth. Alright, now when it comes down to one of the main downsides I have seen of Gamma, and it is right in front of you as you can see it, some of the AI generated images can look a little too AI-y. As you can see here, this person has 3 arms and a hand that is magically just doing, I don't know what it's doing. It's magically holding on to its tablet right there, right? And you'll probably want to swap a few out, tweak them, or even drop in your own image. But the good news here is that at least editing and replacing visuals is simple. So it's more of a small cleanup step than a deal breaker. As you can see right here, if you click on this, there's plenty of options you can do, like fit image, you can change focus, you can even edit with the agent. I'm not sure if I have as many credits left, but say we wanted to change this. Here, I'm going to do something different. Alright, so change the image to someone using a tablet looking at a webinar presentation. Let's click here. Alright, and at least this one is much better. We don't have 5 fingers growing out of his head, we don't have 17 arms, just being a little hyperbolic there, but this one does look better overall. So that is something I have come across, is that some of the AI images can look like they are AI. In the previous image, the person is getting closer to being an octopus, okay? And here I'm just going to show you some more examples. These are ones that I did very quickly. This is going to be website first landing page. More of a minimalistic look here in terms of what's on here. We have our images and kind of the main headlines. We have the main hub right here with a little bit more underneath so someone can see an image, look at the big bullet points and get a very quick takeaway about the landing page, okay? Or maybe when to use each and so on and so forth. And while I give you one more example here, you might notice that a lot of these are starting to look very similar. Well, there's a reason for that. A lot of these were generated with AI and I have a similar theme. However, there are a plethora of themes that you can utilize here. So just by simply clicking on right here, you're going to see it now looks completely different. And really, it's up to you how you want your theme to look. Obviously, you can look for dark, light, professional, colorful, but there are a wide variety of them, so they don't always have to look similar. You can change around to maybe match your vibe, your brand, or just simply what you like when it comes to creating your presentations very quickly with Gamma. And if you're interested in creating websites, Gamma can do that as well. I wanted to create one based upon a free cheat sheet, and as you can see, this is what it came up with the main headline here. And as you scroll down, work smarter, not harder. Scrolling down a little bit more, how it'll transform your business, some of the big benefits, and so on and so forth, how you can get it, no cost, download your cheat sheet, and of course, if you need to publish it, you can do that as well. And just going back very quickly, when it comes to presenting, you can do that very easily right here, whether it's in this tab, full screen, or presenter view. And of course, you can share with others too, so you're not going to be limited to just say having it right here. You can collaborate with others, share, export, and even embed or even publish to your site if needed. And when you're looking at Plus right here, you're looking at only $10 per month. So you can create up to 20 cards per prompt, 1,000 monthly credits, you can remove the branding, plus advanced AI image models. From there, it moves on to $25 a seat per month. And of course, Ultra is going to be $100 a seat per month for 20x more AI usage and unlocking access to the most advanced models. So even if you're just getting started with it, you can try for free, and moving on up from there definitely is not going to hurt your wallet or your bank account, especially when it comes to Plus. So here's the bottom line. Gamma removes the most annoying part of presentations, the design friction. You can go from idea to something usable pretty fast without feeling stuck or overwhelmed. So if you value speed, clarity, and not overthinking slide layouts, this is a strong fit. It's especially useful if you want your work to look polished without spending hours tweaking fonts and spacing. So it's not about replacing your creativity, it's about clearing the junk out of the way so you can actually focus on what you're trying to say. If that sounds like something you want to test for yourself, of course you can always check out Gamma by clicking the link down below in the description of the pinned comment to start for free.